national program of technology enhanced learning. By visiting to the homepage of this national program of technology enabled learning, which is normally known as NPTEL, National Program for Technology Learnings. Through such programs, training videos are available with respect to various subjects like science, technology, social science, humanities, etc. On what the various training programs, or we can say training videos, were prepared by subject expert faculty and make available on the NTPL homepage, or we can say the website, for the free access of all the concerned stakeholders, whether the stakeholder is student, faculty, teacher, or anybody of the society. Those who want to learn about the various aspects of particular subject, as mentioned, should visit to the homepage of NPTEL and get the access of the videos available in the archive section of the NPTEL and get an idea about a particular subject or a particular topic in a particular subject. So such kind of stuff get access real time as available online on the NPTEL website. Similarly, we do find teacher development portal, wherein through Sakshat, which is a one-stop education portal which make available by Ministry of Human Resource Development under the Government of India, to the teachers who want to develop the content on various aspects of various subjects. In teacher development portal like Sakshat, a one-stop education portal, wherein a teacher come out with the various recordings on various subjects or on various aspects or concepts of various subjects, do recording and make it available to the Sakshat, Ministry of HRD, Government of India, for the knowledge of other stakeholders. Similarly, in an open source, too much internet resources are available for teachers, which teachers do the use of for making their class more informative, more interactive, so students learn a lot about a particular topic, subject in their respective class. Then various technologies used by facilitators, teachers, faculties for relaying the information about the particular subject, about releasing the information about the particular subject through various channels. Such channels like radio broadcasting, one-way communication form of through which the information get shared among the all the concerns through a FM station, FM channel, through which the recipient get the knowledge about the particular topic or subject or area of study or particular aspects of a particular subject. Apart from one-way monologue kind of communication like radio broadcasting, interactive radio is also functioning, wherein dialogue kind of communication happens through radio signals, wherein the sender release the information, broadcast the information, and against that the respondents or the listener or the learner say do react against the broadcasting made by the radio broadcasting station. And this way the dialogue kind of communication happens in between the one to many parties, wherein the listeners try to sort out their queries, doubts by asking the questions to the person who is managing the radio station or who is working as an expert in a particular radio station. So this way two-way communication happen, which we normally known as the dialogue kind of communication. Then through television, as we are seeing at present, through Vande Gujarat channel, either the channel number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or whatever the channel number is. Through these video tutorials, we get an idea about particular topic, as we are getting an idea about role of ICT in education at present through this program. So through government undertaking channels like Vande Gujarat channels, which is managing by SAG, as we know, and that this recording initiative is taken by the KCG, Knowledge Consortium of Gujarat, under the Higher Education Department, Government of Gujarat. Through SANDHAN, such recording or tutorials are prepared and broadcasted through television channels like Vande Gujarat 1, 2, 3, 4 for the reaching to the masses. Similarly, MHRD is also having such channels under the UGC MHRD channels, like UGC MHRD channel number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Through that such programs get broadcasted, and the purpose of broadcasting is try to suffice that the maximum audience get the benefit of, the maximum students or teachers, facilitators get the benefit of such programs, and they inculcate knowledge among the others for the betterment of themselves as well as the others. So such programs which make available by the government, either it is state government or the central government, through such programs like SANDHAN by SAG, Vande Gujarat channel 1, 2, 3 or UGC MHRD channel 1, 2, 3. The purpose is very, very clear. Through such channels, the knowledge of the experts on a particular subject or on a particular topic in a particular subject get spread across all the stakeholders. And by broadcasting it repetitively, the stakeholders get an idea about latest developments happening in the respective area or subject, and accordingly they mold themselves for the betterment of their stakeholders, that is students. So such programs are broadcasted through a television, through government channels. Then virtual schools, college, virtual universities are available wherein the students get learnings real time in nature, wherein the institute offer the various courses, short term courses, especially 1 month course, 3 months course, 6 months course, 1 year course to their respective audience about the particular course. So they get enrolled online, they get content online, they learn about various content online, and based on learnings they used to give the exams online, and based on the exams whatever results come, pass fail, get released online with the digital signature. So the virtual schools, virtual college, virtual university get created, and it is there in place wherein the schools, colleges and universities to impart coaching, training, learnings online and online learning resources to the users for appearing for the exams online, and through that they get the results online even. So these are the some of the use of media and ICT tools in ICT enabled education. Now we are going to see the scope of information and communication technologies in education. ICT as a tool to innovate teaching learning practices via internet, that is digital content get created, multimedia use is done, teaching learning methods get developed, learning environment get created, etc. ICT as an administrative tool, that is education management information system, is going to used by the education department of the respective state for managing the administration, for managing the administrative work of all types of get managed through the help of EMIS, Education Management Information System, through which all the colleges, all the universities, all the stakeholders of colleges, universities get covered through EMIS and get monitor and control with the help of EMIS. ICT as an expanding learning opportunities, for example, distance learning, e-learning. As we know, distance learning courses are available through Indira Gandhi Open University, Baba Saheb Ambedkar Open University. These are the two distance learning universities which are offering the various courses in various facets of society, wherein the students can enroll online, students give the exam either offline or online, and students get the certification online. So most of the activities get managed in a distance learning through online facilities. Then ICT as a facilitator of higher order thinking skills, that is learner-centered approach is created, self-directing learning approach is created, and tailored learning approach is created. So in nutshell, the scope of ICT in education area is very, very wide, wherein starting from the digital content development, use of multimedia tool, developing the learning environment, to the administrative aspects of colleges, universities, institutes, to offering the courses on a distance basis through e-learning or through distance learning, and creating a learner-centric approach among the learners has a great scope in the field of education. Then we are going to see little idea about the teachers, teaching and ICTs, how they are related to each other. The levels of ICTs for different teaching uses and metamorphosis of the role of teachers plays very vital role in the development of the students. As we are seeing over here on x-axis, teachers' role and the kind of activities they used to manage. So the level of ICTs, the use of level of ICTs increased by time, as we are seeing on x-axis versus y-axis, wherein the initial role of teacher was to provide the material, to provide the content to the. Today the role of teacher is to facilitate to the students. So teacher has to play a role of facilitator instead of just feeding the content in hard form or soft form to the students. So teacher has to play a very vital role by use of presentation, demonstration, drill and practices, animation, simulation games, by doing research, by making collaboration and communication among the concerns, and by management of students' learning. So ICT helps a lot to the teachers to become provider to facilitator, to transform from just service provider to service facilitator to the audience. So in nutshell, we can say the role of ICT in education with respect to the teacher, student and administrator. First, we see about role of ICT with respect to the instructor, teacher, what it means for. In case of student, in case of teacher, instructors, unlimited access to information, lower cost and time demand, seizing of routine tasks, reduce in workload, comprehensiveness of professional development, opportunity for cooperation, utilization of opportunities provided by the national